sisacinezekile ngoba sisacinezekile kakade.
It was the same as if we are still suffering for, we are still oppressed even now.
Thina sikholwayo sathandaza sicela kuThixo kuba Thixo yiba nathi.
We the believers prayed, asking God to be with us.
Kwanyanzeleka ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ukuthi sibone ukuthi la umbutho wethu obuwenziwe abokhokho bethu kulesikhululeke sihlangene basihlakaza abacinezeli.
It became compelling that the party which was formed by our forefathers that walk in unity was destroyed by our oppressors.
Sasithetha nje namhlanje
As we speak today,
sihlukene ngendlela eziningi.
we are divided in multiple ways.
Lento yenze ukuthi sithi hayi mawethu.
This has therefore led us to say no.
Lenhlangano yethu ebisihola
The party which
isikhokhela
is leading us
phumile endleleni.
has now gone off the track.
Kwacaca uba ayikho into esizoyenza kunyanzelekile uba sithathe enye indlela siqhubekele phambili.
It became clear that there's nothing else to do but to take another way and move forward.
Sacela kubefundisi ukuthi sikhulekeleni esizokwenza kube impumelelo.
We ask from pastors to pray for us so that what we are going to do be a success.
Ngokuhamba kwexesha
Along the time,
sakha inhlangano yokulwela inkululeko umkhonto wesizwe.
we formed the MK Party.
Yona esicine uba yona ezosikhipha apha kule ngcindezelo.
Through which we thought it is the one that will take us out of this oppression.
Nyani
Indeed,
sithe xa sicela kubantu bakowethu
when we asked from our
ukuthi singena odabeni lokugqibela lokukhulula umuntu omnyama.
that we are now entering the last fight to free a black man.
Sesiqede unyaka ngoku
It's been years
sikwenzile
now,
lokho
having done that.
nenyanga awukapheli umnyaka emibili.
It has not been 2 years, though.
Kodwa
But
okubalulekileyo ukuthi
what is important is that
abantu bakowethu
our people
bayivile lento esimemezelayo
have heard that which we're talking about.
ukuthi sifuna ukukhuleka ezweni lakowethu.
That we want to be free in our own country.
Lokho kusho izinto eziningi.
That means many things.
Njengoba selokhu thina abantu abamnyama salilwelizwe kusukela kudala.
As we long been fighting for this nation as the black community,
Ndicinga uba esikwenzayo ngoku
I think what we are doing now
kudlula konke sesike sakwenza ngaphambili.
is far much more than what we've done before.
Into okuyiyona esinikeza amandla
What gives us
nokuzimisela
strength and commitment
ukuthola indlu emnyama ihlangana.
is fighting the black
Andazi noma siyibuka
United.
ngokufanayo na.
I'm not sure if you look at it the same.
Emaxesheni amaningi sifulela inkululeko
In most of the
sifuna
time,
ukukhululeka.
while fighting for freedom, wanting to be free,
Kuyaqala nda
it's the first time
ukuthi sibe baninzi ngohlobo esithi ixesha lethu lifikile.
that we are as much as we're saying the time has come.
Akusekude
It is not
libuye
far
izwe lakowethu lize ezandleni zethu.
from us getting back our own land.
Ngifuna ukubulela inkokheli yethu esiholayo kuleli bandla.
I want to give thanks to our
Chief
leader
Apostle.
who is leading us in this community, the Chief Apostle.
Uyasilida
He is leading us.
ukhuluma noThixo,
He speaks to God,
ukhuluma nezingilozi,
speaks to angels,
uthetha noYesu,
he speaks to Jesus.
kuthi khulula abantwana bakaNkulunkulu emakhamandeleni.
Says, free the people of God, the children of God from bondage.
Ishintshile into,
It has now changed.
ishintshile into.
It has now changed.
Iyahlangana into emnyama.
A black community is uniting.
Nongaboni uyabona manje.
Even the one who does not see now sees.
Kuba asikwazi ukucinezelwa oko.
That we cannot be oppressed all the time.
Uyabona xa sidibene ngohlobo
When we've gathered this way,
sithumela umyalezo omkhulu esizweni sezwe lakowethu nase-Afrika yonke
we are sending a
ukuthi
strong
ixesha
message
lokukhuleka kwethu lifikile.
to the country and the African
Inkululeko isezandleni
that
zethu.
our time to be free has come. Freedom is
Akekho
coming.
yosisiza, siyosiza thina.
Nobody is going to help us, but we're going to help ourselves.
Naxa sisecaweni njengoba siyela ngoku
Even when we're church,
asikwazi ukuyithethi le
we cannot
kuba
speak about it,
senziwa amakhoboka ezweni lobaba bethu.
but we made slaves in the land of our
Siyabulela
We thank you,
ukheli yethu
our leader,
ukuthi usikhombele le ndlela.
that you've led us
Ukuthi
to this
asikhululeke.
path, that we be free.
Siyele konke
We've lost
sifuna izwe lawo baba nomcebo
one
wakowethu.
thing, the land of our fathers and its riches.
Xa sisecaweni
When we're at church
singathethi ngalokhu
and not speak about this,
ngabe asikhulumi inyani.
we will not be telling the truth.
Inyani ithi sisahlupheka thina.
The truth is that we're still suffering.
Kodwa bayibusa abafika ezweni loba omkhulu.
But those who arrived in our forefathers' land are still ruling.
Akekho umuntu ongacindezelwa oko kuze kube sekugqibeleni.
Nobody can be oppressed forever till the end.
Kufanele sithandaze,
We need to pray.
kufanele sikhulume,
We need to speak.
kufanele ukuthi sicele abantu ukuthi asihlanganeni sibe munye.
We need to ask people that we unite and be one.
Basenzele into elula ke ngoku.
They've done something
Kuba bathe
that they said
xa kuyiwa okhethweni
when we are approaching elections.
abaninzi abantu bona bayophatha.
Many, the majority will be the one ruling.
Leyo nto ngamanye amazwi yayisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi nibaninzi nina abantu abamnyama kulelizwe.
In other words, this
Winani
God was
ukhetho
saying,
niphatha izwe lethu.
you are the majority
Ingethula
and
thina ke xa singayiboni lona
win elections and take charge of the country.
ukuthi uThixo uthe hayibo bekani phansi ikhaya
If we don't see that, God
botani
says, let's put
lithathe
down
izwe lethu.
arms and start and vote and take over the country.
Xa singayiboni lonto
If we don't see that,
ithethe enye into.
it says something else.
Ingakho sithi nje emnyama ayihlangane
Hence, it says the black community must unite
ukuthi sithathe amandla ethu okuphatha izwe lethu.
so that we take our strength to rule this country.
Lokho kuwumthetho kaNkulunkulu othe abantu abaphile endaweni yakhe abahlale babuse bangahlushwa.
It is the commandment of God that people of a country must rule over that country and not be bothered.
Ndithetha le nto kokuba ndivuya gqithi xa ndibona into esiyenzile.
I'm saying this, for I rejoice so much when I see what you've done.
ukuhlanganisa umbutho wabantu kanye
Uniting
nebandla labantu
an
leli.
organization of men and the community of men.
Ngeke nakancinci
It will not happen.
sethulwe ukuthola inkululeko yethu kule game.
It will not happen that we are unable to get our freedom this time around.
Kuyovuka nokhokho bame ngenyawo.
Even our forefathers will
Kuyovuka
resurrect
ingilozi
and
zime ngenyawo.
angels will resurrect and stand up.
Akubalulekile ukuthi sicinge enye into ngoku. Asilwe asibulalani sizovota.
We're not fighting, we're not
Sithathe
killing
izwe
anybody.
lethu,
We're going to vote
sithathe ukubusa kwethu
and take
sibuze.
over our country and rule.
Xaba kwethu ngoba singamakholwa thina.
As believers that we are,
Kubantu esihlangana nabo noma yimaphi nathi sihlala nabo noma yimaphi kufanele sibatshene ukuthi lifikile ixesha lomuntu omnyama ukuthi aphathe izwe lakhe.
when we meet with people whom we stay with, we must tell them that time for the black men to take charge of their own country has come.
Andiboni uba singoyisakala bakwethu.
I don't think this will defeat us.
Ubani owayecabanga ukuthi ecinga ukuthi
Whoever thought
singahlangana ngale ndlela esihlangene ngayo.
we would gather the way we have now.
Phezolo
Yesterday,
inkokheli besilapha sithe
leaders were here speaking
kuhlangene thina
in our own gathering
sisonke siyinto enye.
together as one.
Singahluleka kanjani?
How would we be defeated?
Izimpi kudala zaziliwa naseminyakeni emidala.
Wars used to be fought in the
Abanye
previous
besuswe
times.
endaweni zabo besuka kwezinye indawo.
People will be moved from their places to others,
Kodwa bathi sesibuyele ekhaya.
but they say we are now going back home.
Abakholwayo bayayazi lemba.
Those who believe know this history.
Ayikho into ehlula abantu uma bethi sifuna lento eyiqiniso into kaNkulunkulu.
There's nothing that can stand against the will of people who are saying want the truth, that which is the will of God.
Sithe kwenkonzo sihlangene sathi
We said in this other church,
siyalithathiswa.
we say we're taking this country.
Akube into esishumayelayo le.
Let this be what we
Kube
preach.
nentshumayelo kaThixo nayo yonke into sicele kwabadala sicele
Ask
ey'ngilozini
from the elders and
ukuthi
ask from
ixesha
the
lifikile.
angels. That time has come.
Noma kuphina
Wherever it is,
nasemakhuleni amadala
even in all the corners,
xa icela uNkulunkulu wayewanikeza amandla
when they will
Ngeke
ask,
angasinikeze
God will give
amandla
us
nathi.
power. God will grant us the strength.
ukuthi asibuye izwe lobaba libe sezandleni zethu nomcebo wobaba usezandleni zethu nombuso wethu ube sezandleni
The
zethu.
land of our father, the riches of our father, and the wealth be in our hands.
Ngicela mina makholo ukuthi
I'm asking you, the
noma
believers,
silala noma
that
sivuka
even when we sleep or wake up,
sibuke kuThixo
let's look up to
ukuthi
God.
Thixo iba nathi sipha
Say,
amandla
God be with us. Give us
njengoba
strength.
wabapha abanye abaholi eminyakeni emininzi
As you
eyadlula
gave the other leaders
Ixesha
years
lifikile.
ago, time has come
ukuthi sifuna ukuliphatha leli zwe
that we
lethu.
want to take charge of this
Akuyona
country.
into nje siyithetha
It's not just what we're
thetha
saying.
ngoba sithi ixesha lifikile.
It's what we're saying because the time has come.
Ngifuna ukunibonga ke
I want to thank you,
makholwa kithi
our
ukuthi
believers,
ukubheka enkosini sithethe nawo sithi Thixo
that looking up to the
Sikhulume.
Lord and said, God, free
nabanye
us.
basho
The others
wabakhuluma
said the same thing and he
nathi
freed them.
uzosikhuluma.
We also is going to free us.
Ngoba noma singakhuluma sithini
Or even if we may talk,
kodwa uma singakwazi ukuyisa uthaba lwethu olwasukelayo
if we can't defeat our own enemy,
mhlawumbe sothi siyaqhamuka kwabangcwele bathi laba bayabenjani lapho.
When we come or visit the holy, they'll say, what kind of people these used to be?
Funa ukubonga kakhulu ukuthi
I want to give thanks that
yathola ithuba. Into esibusa ngoku noma sithandayo
what you are
ukuthi
praying for
ayiphele inhlupheko kumuntu omnyama.
is that let's end poverty in a black man.
Indlu emnyama ayibuphane
Let
ibenye.
the black community come together and be one.
Ayikho into engasoyisa bakwethu.
There's nothing that can defeat us.
Nasebunzimeni
Even in difficult
abaninzi
times,
baphumelela ngoba babezimisele.
many succeeded or they were committed.
uThixo makasincede.
May God help us.
Kokhelethu
Our leader
sithembele kuwe,
will trust in you.
sithembele kuwe,
We trust you.
sithembele kubafundisi.
We trust the pastors.
Kuba asahlisi ngoku.
For we're not retreating now.
Ngeke zinakancane.
We want
Nisi
people.
izinto ezenzeke kuthi njengoba ndisho nje
There's a lot
mina
that happened to
ndiva
us.
ngendaba ndandikhona esiqithini.
I'm not
That's
being told
how the 10
the
years
story.
young.
I was in Robben Island for 10 years.
Siboshwele ubali ukuthi sifuna inkululeko.
We're incarcerated for wanting our own freedom.
Ngake ndahamba ndalishiya ilizwe.
I once left this country.
Ishumi leminyaka neminyaka emine ngemva kwalokho
14 years after that,
silwele lenkululeko.
fighting for this freedom.
Mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangathi uyakhuluma lokuba wayegangile waboshwa kwahle kwavutha kwasala amalahle.
Many would say I'm speaking for I was in trouble and got incarcerated.
Mina lo kuleli lizwe sithi sikhululekile kulo.
In this nation in which we say we are free,
Ngiye ndathathwa uhulumende lo
I was taken by this
lo
government,
engangikuye
this government in which I was
ndingenatyala
without any wrongdoing.
bandifaka entolongweni.
They threw me in prison.
Kwacishe kwabhubha abantu.
People nearly died,
Into eyenza ukuthi ndibone uba ndiye lapha entolongweni.
which made me
Ndandithi
to go.
ndisindise abantu bakithi abazophinde babulawe.
I went
Ngoba
to prison to save my people,
thina siyabulawa nje noma kanjani.
for we are just killed no matter how.
Kwasha amajaji
Judges said
into ebuhlungu kakhulu yokulwana jaji lalikhipha isigwebo
the most painful,
laliwumama.
the judge who
Lathi
handed down the
kuZuma
judgment.
kafuna ukuyenza lento
as a woman.
simbophe noma ngabe
Said
umthetho
if
ungavumi
The
siyambopha.
former president doesn't want to do this. Let's arrest him.
Inkululeko ke leyo
That is the
kuthiwa
freedom.
sisi kuyona.
In which we are told we
Yile nto
are.
ethi asilwele izwe lethu ukuthi sikhululeke.
And to say, well, let's fight for our country so we may be free.
Sangeneke manje thina
We've
thina
gathered
njemnyama and
as a
siyahlangana
black
zonke izinsuku
We gather all the time.
zolithatha izwe lababa
We reclaim our father's land.
noma kumnyama noma kubomvu.
Even if it's dark or blue.
Hayi bendithetha nje ngenzela uba sazi ukuthi sisempini
So that we may know we are in war.
sifuna inkululeko yethu.
We want our freedom.
Ukhona napha phakathi uthi ungayifuni inkululeko?
Is there amongst us who does not want this freedom?
Asifuni
Do not want the freedom?
nanso asiyithathe.
Let's take it.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu.
I thank you
Bendifuna
very
nje ukusho lokho namhlanje.
I wanted to just say that.
Ndingasho into eziningi.
I'm not saying many things.
Leyo nje ukuthi
That
ngoku
now
indlu emnyama
that
iyahlangana.
community is uniting.
Nabekade bengaboni bayabona manje.
Those who do
Ukuthi
not see
ixesha
now see
lifikile
that time has come
lokukhululeka umuntu omnyama.
for the freedom of the black man.
Singathi siba ngaka soyiswe ukuvota nje ukuwina ngokuvota.
Can't we win by voting as
Kanti ngabe singabantu abanjani?
What kind of people would we be?
Thini bafondini. Thini. Hayi ke ndiyazi ukuthi isikhotho sami sesalimala ndandinaso kudala.
I used to have
Kodwa ndivile.
defeated now.
siyabulela baba kwethu.
We thank you.
Ngivuyela nje
We
ukuthi
thank
kube
you
khona la because ukuba ndifikele
I'm glad to
kodwa
be here and apologize
ngivuye
for
ukuthi
being late,
inkonzo
but I'm happy
nansi
that the church is here.
ndiyabulela kakhulu.
I thank you very much.
Asibeni munye,
Let us be united.
asihlanganeni nje
Let
emnyama,
us come together.
ixesha lifikile.
Time has come.
Asixelele wonke umuntu
Let's
ukuthi
tell
ixesha
everybody
lifikile.
that time has come.
Ndiyabulela.
Thank you.